can come visit me anyhow, anytime you like. We just start this relationship. You understand? So, you know, if you just say you won't come my house. See, for my side now, Yoruba they call us. Yoruba they always make one proverb say, "Otim babo, oni baga etim bolebo." Now I talk from my mind as a Yoruba girl. You understand now? He can't say, okay, no problem. We can't chat. He can't bring out drinks issue again. He said, me, I know vessel. He still see on that drinks. So which saga they use? Now, forget this drinks issue. As he sees, now I get up, go open my wardrobe, check my jeans. Now I said, see the size that they use it. He said, okay. He still do that when he talk, he say, he won't carry iPad. Come for my. You understand? If guys don't they talk, and me, I be first I be say, I the quick catch up with guys. If you be person say you want to just come chop home and go, you dey make mouth. I'm not the like guy with disabi make mouth, and they avoid you. You understand? I disabi avoid my ways. I be first of say you meet woman, you don't they make mouth, you talk with you. I'm not talk. I just keep quiet. I say no problem. I say I first tell I say no bring anything phone for my people. Anything tablet or iPhone, I don't ban my people, my children from using it. He said, oh, no, say you won't bring her from my daughter. I said, okay, no problem. Sure you won't bring, no problem, bring her. He said, okay. We can't talk. It's not like, okay, you go reach like, reach like that kind of 10 minutes, he will still call me. So I can't see him in school. I want to go pick my younger daughter from school. I can't see him in school. I can't enter room. I say, if I enter room, I go call him back. I can't call him back. As I can't call him now, he say, you know the way they call him before, because no pick the room that later I come. He say in the bathroom, they bath. So he said, well, because I want to go pick my younger daughter. He said, in the just want to say later. No, he said, they go Stuttgart. You want to go buy something for Stuttgart. Now, sir, what you want to go buy for Stuttgart? Now, Stuttgart, you say you stay. I say, you say you go my hand before. He said, now something you go do for my hand. Now, I said, okay, no problem. It don't become two places where you mention for me that. He just says Stuttgart, he can't say my hand. So later now, you can't cut call. Later in the evening, you can't see that. He said, baby, I beg, no just for one thing. As it says, when I don't talk, very day I accept a friend request. Yeah, I don't send her my number. Since that time, I know they call me Bonnie, BB, darling, this. I mean, I see they call me on the pen where I want to ask for Facebook. You understand now? Because you say person I don't see, you need to tread carefully on ground. So I can't see they call on the Bernard. They call me baby, Bonnie, darling. He said, I beg, no baby, no vessel. I beg, now what I say, one beg you. Are they lonely for house? He said, they boring for house. Say, I beg, may you just come my place. May we just be together, may we just the chats one-on-one. I said, this way they request, it will not be possible.
Yeah.
Before God and man, I call my friend.
See?
I gist my friend all these things. Why they tell you so? As the beginning, I still send me friend because I even send a picture to give my friend. Say, see so person where I meet for Facebook. See as they go, see as they go, see as they go. Now my friend, you say girls chat now. We call the chat about the guy. Right. You understand?
Yeah.
One person they say trust them, the other one they say no trust them. One person they say so now so the matter just they go. I say, you know if you come my house because I tell you say my room too small and my children might grow up. I get girls children, they don't grow up. You know if you come my house, it will not be able to be possible. As in, you know they're possible at all. What do you want the children say you be to me? What do you want the children say you be to me? If they can't see you, they come as what I want to introduce you as to them. You understand?
Yeah.
You don't say, no, should be men just one pass, men just one stay. Say, nothing, men just come to us, think they boring, I beg. You just they insist. That's okay. You know what you do. As you say, Saturday na your birthday. Come on Friday. You feed the kids, you play with the children, do everything. Then you go. You say, okay, no problem. Men look at. He said, man, look at I said, okay, no problem. Any you let me know. He said, okay. Now he call me later in the night again. He said, I be may come on. Say no, if you come, say may come the next day, that is all. That's why you go come on Thursday. Not be Friday, me and you don't talk before. You know if it possible. Me and you talk finish today, so you say you won't come tomorrow. I be get anything where they find. You get anything they hide from me. He said, no, why they talk like that? Oh, he ready to settle down with me, or he do this, do that. I say, okay, no problem. If that's the case, say you really dey boring, no problem. At least all of us daily to talk one-on-one. The children they not say no be you be their papa. They not say they not get any money. They sit in, they come visit me. You understand? I not even put anything for mind. I not carry before God. I not carry anything for mind. And so this boy say, I send her my ban off. I send her for WhatsApp my ban off address. I send her for WhatsApp. Later he say we don't reach the ban off for later in the day. Now that's okay. You know what you go do? It's saying this to that. I say, you know what? You not come down for the ban off. Come down for another ban off, so that you go fit see boss. Just come our side because this our ban off here. He enter inside where and boss go dey pass. If you want to see boss now, another this next ban off now you go enter boss. You can't go like as in blah 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 like that. You just go. You come as you go enter the bus. You reach my area. As you reach my area, you can't come say no reach. Now go as I go pick. As I go as I go pick the child we greet normally. Just greet, good evening, welcome. You can't enter inside. And before you enter inside, before I go pick us, they even cook for my children. As they enter inside, I say heat more now, sir. And they cook no pets. I make the heat too much. I can't open one of my sit down. The children they greet them, they play with them. I even tell the children, I know say as children be go and sit down one place. Don't be playful. You see, there is visitor. Uncle is here. Don't be playful. They don't greet and they even they play with them. Uncle this, uncle that. I cook finish now. I serve and food. Even before I cook finish, he say, say him be don't want to go buy something. Now say, you say you want to buy the thing for your hand of for there you want to go buy. He say forget this. She be ask me. Now say, you ask me, I say maybe you buy for your band of there. It's okay, no problem. Now I can show me nearest supermarket in my house here. You can't go and go buy. To the extent, in shirts where we come, you put now. Just for my free mind where I get it, I don't get any. If like the shirt gets stains, they are having stains, so you can't give me Sabema web and put up washing machine. Now look at one cloth, just one shirt inside washing machine. It not go there possible. Don't worry. As a woman where I be, give me that shirt. I will use my hand to wash it. Not what the person go wash. Immediately now I collect the shirt, put am for inside my hand wash basin. Enter toilet, go wash the shirt, put soap. He come, he say, he hold me. As he hold me for waist, I can't use hand, adjust myself. At least as I do, he's supposed to know. Meaning say I'm not like the way when take hold me. I can't adjust myself, he can't shit. He said I for stock this shirt, so I for no wash, use and wash them. So if I soak them before 5 minutes, it will clear. Now I say no. I'm a woman. Now I just one shirt not me to make my hand break or anything. Now I collect the shirt. Now I just wash the shirt. Maybe I wash and finish. Now you take up must go buy waiting one back for the children. As you come and go buy, as I wash the shirt, I carry my hanger inside cupboard. I hang her for outside my window. Make the shirts dry. As you come back now, I serve and food. You sit down, you eat. I empty the lalo when you use buy something from. I show you the truth. I say, see what the uncle buy come for you now. Yeah, you should tell him thank you. Say thank you. I am going to play with my small baby. I say, won't you tell uncle thank you, self? He said the baby never reached to now. I say, I can't pack everything inside my cupboard. Everything went by corn. I can't put inside cupboard. As I pack and put inside cupboard now, I can't serve and food. As I eat food, as I eat, and I still the praise. The food is okay, they good. The soup sweet. You go like to eat the soup for banku, so and so. That's it. Thank you. No problem. So as we dey talk now, we just they go. And as the children eat finish, that was I think something to 9 is on. Not me they eat finish because I see they think say whether I carry the small one go. Kindergarten, I be man leave am for house as it's on a weekend Friday. Now look and see, I go carry and go. the day before. So I can't make them go sleep because as it's no one they go. And because the big one now, shule, it will start shule by this month, before this month ending. I can't make them enter bed, make them go sleep. But inside don't even eat finish. I can't make them enter bed. So one day the gist, they talk. Normal gist. As in family issues. He asked about my mom, please. I have my father. He said, oh, sorry. I said, no problem. No, we can't gist. Normal gist. Nothing like say they talk about say irresponsible ways because I know I get you in my house. You understand me? I carry here say man find me come house. You can't they talk anyhow for where grown up picking. It will look somehow. Children of nowadays they are wise. And moreover, I don't already the act is already done. You don't come my house, you don't come. But you come my house, no come say you can't take advantage of it. Say as you come, so you in a woman house you come, you can do anything, or because maybe the woman get big nash, I'll be fine. No.
Now you get big nash. Everything there with you.
Sir?
I said everything there with you.
You understand? I accept say you come out since you say you get boring.
Yeah.
But that don't mean say you can't take advantage, say you want you get something from my day you want to. You know your mind, I know my mind. Normal. You want the gist, the chat, the as in normal, the gist, the drink, everything. You understand now?
Yeah.
So later, I can't go out, go make call. As you go make, if you enter bedroom, you go make. As you go make call now. Me, I did my room, my bed. I did with my bed before bed. If you enter toilet, you go make call. Let's say they talk, shout for the person here. They talk to the person. Now for my mother, not say my girlfriend, they talk to you, understand? But I see code. I not talk anything. I just keep quiet. He come back. As he come back, I don't answer anything. He dance. Later again, though, his throat go outside again. As his throat go outside again, for the back of my window. Because now I don't explain now. I don't explain the guy way here and before this. I say, come on, for this our house here. We know too plenty. We know the plenty. See the time person will be the rest is so white. So I dey respect myself and they give me respect at this house because I won't tell her the reason why they transfer me come the house. Because it just be like private house. No be if you say no go even see my eyes, it just be like private house. So everybody needs to respect himself. Just be like, do not be facing my face you or slap me, I blow you. No. So I can't explain to myself. So I dey respect myself. Oh. Sorry, excuse me. No. I can't myself. I beg you, need to the way I take the code, you may follow me the code like that. Yeah. So you must say because say you can't the choice he say he looking like person where I go the pepper body. Oh. Now I can't say pepper body answer. I can't say pepper body answer. He say I go too harsh. Oh. Now I you said don't notice say the person where I go harsh. He say yes. Say but now I forget I forget. I look at from then I can't call my friends. Sir. I can't use the joke tell my friends. Sir. My husband he don't call my friend come boss laugh. You understand? Because he come they chat me say because the person they with them. Come they chat me. Come they chat.
Then where the Mwegbe before this start? Where the Mwegbe before this start? Where the jigma? Whatever chop Congo that I want to know. How it is start?
Now go direct.
Yes, just go direct.
My children don't sleep now. It can't reach time for us to sleep. You understand? Yeah. I can't stay for bed. I can't say okay. You know what you go do? First, before I even carry my children come up for their own bed, I say okay, you sleep for because my bed wide. Sleep for the other edge. Where me and my baby yes sleep. My baby sleep for middle. Like my little baby. He sleep for middle. Me I sleep near my baby. He sleep for the other edge of the window side. Now he say from then I look and say he know they comfortable because the way they use it, they do, you know they comfortable.
Yeah.
You understand? Me I can't stand up now. I can't even watch my film because the person be say night I know they quick sleep because of my baby who I get.
Yeah.
You know they comfortable. He say make her off TV now. Me off TV now. Me will stay. Me will catch phone. That's all. And they watch film, sleep. He say she be outside to carry my baby. They go school. I say that will not be problem. Sleep. When it reach time for me to sleep, I will sleep. He still stand up come for bed. He go sit down. He still continue with Faj. The over the corner Faj. He still continue with Faj. So me I can't sit down.
Which one be the fragile for each other? Explain and so that mood in here.
Body no dey comfortable.
Okay.
You understand? I mean, consider. You consider for where I sit down. Say why they do like this now? Say why they avoid and this, that, this. The way how they use they do. Now cause okay. I can't shift come off for where my baby lie down. I can't go lie down with her. I was looking and tell me what do you what's here? See me here. With the verse I no use body near you. She says, okay, I don't come with you. I can't follow and play. You understand? May you know feel like may you know say it come my house I still examine the
yes, you can't follow on the play.
Sir?
I said you can't follow on the play as a visitor we can't greet you, you know.
I can't follow on the play, we can't the gist now, the gist. You understand? But not be waiting you want. Me, I don't know say not be waiting you want.
Yes.
Now me at the follow on the show. You understand?
Yes.
The reason where you want, me I never open up for one.
And you know, and you know what you want, Abi. You know what you want.
Me, I know what you want.
Okay.
Yes.
Good.
As a girl, we could.
Better babe. Oh God.
You understand me? I don't know what you want because my mother from the time when don't tell me say he won't come my house the next day. I said, this boy only barre team bolebo.
You understand?
Don't they find something they come.
I understand.
You understand?
I understand you.
Yeah. So now for that and I don't they call say blessing I what this boy won't come do. Or because girls, you know say we girls we get plenty enemy and boys enemies well.
Yeah.
Maybe they don't try to touch you, good, they will send another person. You understand that kind of thing now?
Yeah.
Or maybe you don't do one boy wicked, but the boy told you don't do one wicked. You go send another person to go do revenge for this girl.
Exactly.
So now what I can't get from mind because I swear to Almighty to say either this boy do betting with people. Say, now go try this girl, you go grieve for you. Yeah. Or now person send and come.
So as you come near and as you can't go play with some what you cause up, what you want to be that one?
As he come request for sex, now I can't stop with the play with I can't sleep. I can't lie down. You understand now? As I can't lie down, he can't get up, come up from where I can't go sleep for the edge of the bed. That's why they do like this. Get up from that place where you sleep. Can't lie down very well. He said, no, man, leave her, man, no bother her, man, leave her. With play, like play. Where I still get open mind, I still go meet and say, I can't play with her, say, get up now, why they do like this now? You don't invest, in the verse, because I'm not grief for you, what you say you want to. He said, no, man, go sleep. She should be as a guy, my picking a good man, go sleep. That's about get up from that place. You come my house, I entertain you as a visitor. I'm not throw you out. I'm not lash you. I not do anything, but yet I still entertain you as a visitor. But because you the acts of sex for me, I'm not giving you the verse in a strong face. He said, no, be that man, not talk like that. No, but end up forget that down as Watson. I just okay, get up. You know what you do? Stand up. Yeah, I can't sit down for you. I say, I'm not gonna give my baby food. Because my baby then was like, so because of the noise now and arguments, my baby won't come wake up. I can't make my baby give him that's my night now so that you go hold in belly to sleep. Yeah, as the breastfeeding where they give I know
okay.
You go feel hold in belly to sleep.
Okay.
As I can't give my baby food now, he can't say me at the time and say me go lie down. Me I want making lie down. Now say sit space there. Or I go shift I'll tell and make it stand up. Me all of them can't sleep on my bed. May you feel sleep for my small daughter bed. He said, but my little daughter don't weep for the bed. And I say, turn the phone. You can't even come out the mattress, the best spread where my daughter used. You can't turn the phone. He said, no, go feel like that for the phone. He said, because we did the bed. That's okay, no problem. Lie down anywhere, go lie down for this bed. He said, make her shift my daughter, go inside for me and lie down. Now I say, Why you do like this? At least find one place.
When this guy deal with you for house, so when I want to ask you one question, when this guy deal with you for house, which kind of dress you dress? Now bun short or cloth now you tie for chest or you wear what kind sexy thing? You know.
Bros, dress no matter. Dress for my own. I don't take dressing as anything.
No, waiting you wear now. Waiting you wear.
Even though I wear kerubu and sarah for gown, that boy want waiting want to do.
Waiting I ask now a very simple question. Waiting you wear. You get why? The answer the question.
Now my short knicker with my shirt now wear because now I wear for the house.
Beautiful. That's a nice one. Continue.
Now wear because my outside always wear for them now. House at them over na summertime with it.
Yes.
You understand? You know, because a person visit of our country
and you get yansh, and you know say you get yansh. You know, say everywhere bust. You know. You say the answer I tell you. You say I tell you. You be Yoruba woman. I know accurate children. I know as old children. Old women be. I know them. You understand? We know say everything be.
The way I got the do now, I know say this guy. It be like say if you not do what you want to this night, you know go
rest.
You know because he can't be harsh. He can't as in he take on come up out of my no can't joke with me. You understand?
Yes.
But me I can't see the calm and down, the joke with and the calm and down because I can't. I say come, Bernard. I don't expect this thing from you. You behave like unmature person. So without this sex now. Don't get sex, you don't go sleep or anything. Or now because of that same sex, you come up for a whole highbrow where you say this because he can't show me in ID card yesterday saying they work for highbrow.
Yes.
I said, still now because of this sex, you come up for highbrow, you can't come here. He said, why they talk like that now? Say if you want sex, say woman plenty. Say woman plenty.
Okay.
I said, but the way they behave now, they behave like say now because of this.
I can't rape you. I can't rape you.
So as I give my baby food finish now, he go sit down. He no green like even come like that again. I can't put my baby down. My baby veg. I can't put them down. So now he can't take me to say want talk to me. Now say me sit down. He can't sit down. Now he can't talk. Now say we can't talk about this same sex issue. Now I say come. What this sex issue you talk so? You dey talk and say now. He said yes. He said because I no go expect say he use him money buy tickets, transport from all your whole place to this place. Money where he spend, he can see come and no one can do am where. So you understand me, so bros? Now cause do you wear yourself? He said, say normally girls they go there, we go there. We go don't enjoy us. They say all this talk with the talk since if I don't do what you want to do, if I don't sleep since.
Akure.
That's what you be the thing you want.
For those shop since.
That's what you be the thing you want. You understand? He say you know talk. He say yeah forget. If you say forget. Now you go see like that. It's not like you go still get up again, but you do the rest. You come still meet me again. The next night you come talk. He say. Girls, he go the next morning. If you just dash me 500 euro, dash me 1,000 euro, dash me 200 euro. I see that word he can't talk and reach 20 times. Now I can ask and say, come. You think I'll be prostitute? He said, if I say so, I swear to Almighty God. He said, if I say so. Now I say, you won't force me. He said, if it's possible. I say, if it's possible, no problem. I can't keep quiet. I can't fold my hand and look at. If as the cause say at the look at, you can't tap me small. Say I ain't the joke. I can't take the matter serious like that. I say I'm joking the joke. Say, but at least now I foresee doing well now. If you go tomorrow, if you don't make me happy, if you just dash me something, give me 200. I said this year they talk. I know they like him. He said yes. He said because I don't make him as in I don't provoke him. He said now we're going to argue. The argument we're going to argue yes. Now make statements for me. Say even if police come today now, say if police come as we they argue so now say now me they go sleep. Say because they not go believe him. Say now me they don't go believe me. Now they go believe. Say because he go tell them say now me invite and come. I say I invite you come. Now me invite you come. He said, yes, I mean, if I can come. I say, so the good way I do it, I want turn to bad because of sex. He said yes, because of sex. He can do anything because of sex. I say, the minute I say they talk, so you don't they carry threatening words, they come out. They carry threatening words. Now, sir, you want let me, you can't hold my knicker. Can't do as say you want to my knicker. Now, sir, what if they do so? You won't force me, rape me. He said if you possible. Later, you can't see the way you take calm. Now you can't see tap me again. Can't see smile. Say, no, in the joke. You know more. So when them so for Dutchland, you go get person from Dutchland, you go free. You when you talk that same word, and you can't see repeat them again. Say, she be I not say which paper body say because you know they beg me again, I not see allowance. This year they tell you don't come up for 9 o'clock, we they enter to 2. Because of this same sex, here this guy don't let me sleep. You don't enter to 2 show.
No, the drag, no, the adjunct this for the sex matter, be.
I tell you.
In the middle of the night, and the children they sleep.
I tell you.
And you know agree give her, you know agree open.
I tell her, say, she be not saying violence if they do so. He say if any act like I take her, say so be it. Now I tell her, say, why you do like this? You not say children they here. He say, what will be this thing? What will be this thing? We are supposed to not give her te. We are supposed to not get we don't sleep.
Why you not gonna sleep? Why you not gonna sleep if you not see your mind?
I like that he wake me. I like that with my baby. We say me and get up. He won't talk to me. Like I say, won't talk to me. Now I get up. Say maybe he won't talk something else.
What's he coming? What's he coming? Enter the warehouse. I could enter the warehouse.
So as we he say if police come now, you know go do say you know go do anything. That means they go hold responsible for because the law it inside law for Germany say if police catch see man for woman house, woman come complain say what he do. Say but no be the man police go say na the woman the police go say because the police go ask the woman say what if the man find go enter the house. No if not be you invite them. So all those words that you can't use and they put fear for my army.
Network. Get the network now. Okay, now network. My network is solid and strong. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, they hear you. Go straight to the point. Tell us how it rape you.
I can't start to shed tears. Like this was I say why they shed tears. You know, like they see woman tears. You know, like they do this. You know, like they use and they clean my tears. But still yet, upon that, you know, reach more than 5 seconds, once the demand of sex. Now I say, come. If you say this, you're threatening, don't too much. Now I walk out go wear food. I say, you know what to be. So it means say if you see life. So it means say if you can do anything, you can do anything to have this sex. He said if you see where you go do it. Now I open food, now I see the knife, now I collect them. You understand now? Now I collect the knife. As you collect the knife now, I say, oh yeah. That's play, this guy carry this knife. Oh. You understand? Play, this boy collect this knife. That's what did this thing they turn to with fear? That's what's happened? So you enter that bed, enter the guys. That same my baby bed where I vacate my baby from us. Say me go sleep. Now that same bed, he forced me. You hold the knife up like this. You hold the knife up like this. So you enter that bed. That's Now you join me now. I can't beg him. Now I say, hey, what I want to do? Wahala, don't go carry wahala enter my house. Wahala says, if I know for tell I say no come. Fear can't enter my mind. I say what I want. I don't feel call police. I don't feel shout. They go say what in the man comes in. Man no be any of your baby. You ask me the man. What you call? I want to explain for police or people say na ain't saying one come. Just as a friend, nobody say you want to visit me and say you want to spend days or you want day like boyfriend like that. You want just come visit me. You dey bored. Now he take them. He use that knife push me enter bed. So yeah, turn. My brother, I see they talk and that knife here I see and my daughter. I see no daughter lie down for her own bed. He will put in hand side for my daughter. Let her beg. See my daughter, come on the knife for dear. You can't come on hand. He said, shape like that. My brother, a beggar has no choice. Now I started the dance for him to assassin knife. I get 3 children, get 3 girls children for her, little baby. I have no other option than to dance to him too. Now these guys hold me. He raised my leg up. As he raised my leg up, he still hold the knife. Oh, he said, why down? As in, it's so shameful to say, bros. Very, very shameful to say.
Nine daga you.
Oh, Bonasa, they beg this boy rich. I look at him and say, just for this, why they do all these things for the presence of my children? Say, what of my children wake up, see this way they do? He said, what did I ain't born them? I said, okay, even though you don't look the children, look the little baby. He said, I'm baby. Teacher, I ain't born now. My people, if I tell you that I think no, say I don't enter one chance. Now this boy started, as he just wipe my leg, now I carry mouth put for my private parts. So he won't suck my private parts. But they come on mat. This boy don't use condom, plus. He don't use condom. I even tell us, okay, you when you think it won't make sense, wear your condom.
What to the boy lalo every year?
I tell you, that was before he started the make sense. So wear your condom. He trick this boy, he really dress, he really make up in my come meet me for house. This boy go enter in wallet. He really bring out condom from his wallet. I can't talk about him. I say this boy really mean business. So he can't sit down the wait for me make an open for him. That was before the rape.
Okay.
But as you say, I'm not dance to him. I was saying go bring condom. I'm not bring for him. Now he take that act and so. As he do finish, they do as they share tears, they beg him. As they share tears, they beg him. This guy no reason. As they look my baby, they cry. This guy no reason. You know even hear my cry. You know hear my cry. He do finish. He stand up with tears from my eye. I stand up with shame. Lost of my pride. I stand up, come up for bed. Go bathroom, go sit down for toilet. They wipe my tears off my eye. This boy still come meet me. This boy still come meet me for toilet. He said, "Na me concern. What you for don't do if you not even cause all this kind of thing, this thing." That one not see do. He said, "He can't draw my heart. Say, come, we'll go." I said, "What happened? You never do what you want. What you want again? What do you want from me?" He said, "No. Say one or another one." I said, Hey. I said that you want to carry the knife, you want to go carry the knife again. Now I can't stand up. I can't wash my body. Can't quick stand up from where the toilet here sit down. And as I say, don't go front. Me say I can't rush from for back. Passing corner, now I jump on top of my bed, drag my baby. As my baby they sleep, now the only savior where I get that same night with that. As my baby they sleep, now I carry my baby for say. Come they cry, they beg and say, I beg. Say, I'm not ready for this thing when you come to show. Say, I beg. You may look this baby waiting in my hand. You don't do now, you do now. You can't even pour inside me without no protection. Force me sleep with you without my own say I accept you. Yet you come to the request for another one. All because you take advantage of me. Because nobody to help me. I don't feel call out to police because I safeguard my house rights.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Safeguard my house rights.
Thank you. I want to ask you.
You understand? You know.
I want to ask you some few questions. Do you hear me?
I hear you.
How old are you in Europe now?
Going to 3 years now.
3 years in Europe.
Yes, bro.
How old are you initially? Your age?
I'm 34.
34 years. Wow. So since when you did Germany?
So, sir?
Since how long have you been in Germany, Deutschland?
That's what I'm telling you. 3 years now.
Okay, since when you come from Nigeria and Deutschland, you still not be from Italy.
Not from Italy.
From Italy.
Generally, I don't spend 6 years for Europe as a whole.
Okay, for Europe, you don't spend 6 years. So 3 years in Deutschland, 3 years in Italy.
Yes.
And I'm man still cash you mugu like this for Deutschland.
Bros,
Okay.
you know the one you dey talk.
Wait,
so
wait.
Where my children dey, now they tell you where will be girls. Okay,
Wait
what of
now.
that same knife now?
Wait.
You say, okay, you know what? Because of the wickedness, I don't give her.
Wait, not rush, wait. Calm down. I'll call the guy too. You don't give your own side. If I give you small points for your own side. Before the guy pick knife, when he they beg you, they plead you, they plead with you. You're gonna say, okay, bring condom. You can't show you condom. You can't go bring in wallet. You can't bring that condom, and you see the condom, abi. You see.
I don't say bring condom. I tell her say you where you would say you won't make love to woman. Where your condom where you carry. Now you constant to go bring condom.
Okay, good. You constant to go bring condom. Wait now. Wait, you constant to go bring condom, and you see and say bring condom come out.
I call the tell this boy really serious. He really mean now.
Beautiful. So you not willingly give you know, I'm not gonna do. You understand? Okay, fine. Until he can't force you to do. You understand?
Yes.
And he can't really succeed do. And he wants to do that. I'm not gonna use the condom when you carry con. He can just do direct entry. You understand? Come pour everything for inside. Even use mat leak everything. You understand? Which is very good. That one condom one side. Good. Me, I call the boy. I'll call you back. You understand?
All right, sir.
Thank you. And people are looking on better style. I want no vessel. I want to call the boy. You understand? Though we see not as you know, I don't know rock by boy. Now understand. No, not understand. I don't know rock by boy. But what you tell me? Say the guy leak. He leak. I don't want to pay me. Oh God. Where the bros? This bros not fine boy. Fine boy. You know, if you see the bros, you go here. First show on the bros first. And the bros be this. You understand? A fine boy. And Facebook be this. I first show since. Now me I call him. Hey, young better we. Osini ya bine tewa hara. Wanna thumbs up this video, wanna press thumbs up for this video. And the bros I want call so wanna press thumbs up, wanna thumbs up the video. But thumbs up a video now. What you I dey call the boy for WhatsApp, you know. Eh, maybe I'll try in direct line. Akure Ologbo Junction. Ologbo Junction. The phone in name man. Now we call the For them one. No, no vessel.
The number you have dialed is not a phone. Die gewählte Nummer ist nicht vergeben. One, two. This one. Area better way. The bros are cutting. Bros don't cover itself. Hello. Rosa, hello.
I greet you. Good evening.
I most greet you. You are welcome to Umenwan Talk Show.
Yeah.
So now your matter will be settled for year. So now I say make I call you. The woman don't call.
Okay.
She don't judge her own side of the story. How you take home her house. How you take stay for throughout the night. How you tell her say you want do. She say no. Last, you can't take knife. Take threatening now. Wear am. You understand? So the thing now, everybody did live here, they listen to you live because the phone this speaker. So now so okay, the woman judge finished now. They need to hear from you as the man. What happened?
Yeah, actually, she not person that girl said I talked to before, I think for quite some time now. So now I'm hungry now. Now I yesterday. You know, when I reached there, I did normal shop for the children and make everybody happy. So that evening now, drink when I drink and pass my gauge. So in short, I don't know what I was doing that day. You know, normally when you reach now, I'm not going to down the beg and say, sorry for everything. So because not my intention to hurt her like that. Another drink, I just toxicate my system. So I don't beg and well. I don't call myself reach 2 times now before because I still don't forgive me. So make I forget. Then the money when I promise her on Monday, I'll give her. That's okay to appreciate.
So you forcefully rape her out of her. You forcefully rape her out of her own will. You dey hear me?
Network.
Hello, you dey hear me? We dey hear you loud and clear. Hello? You dey hear me?
Hello? Yes, I hear you now.
I said you forcefully sleep with her out of her own will.
You see?
I said you forcefully sleep with her out of her own will. Right?
You know, forcefully, be like say you sitting for street now for you force her. You know, I was invited to our place, you know, I was there, but you know, misunderstanding once now because I was not my way to go out, as in my intention to go out. So
okay, wait.
So I don't beg her.
According to you now the highness Abi.
I don't think like that, bro. That day, I'm not doing that like this. So I'm serious.
What so the drink where you drink that day? Now her house you for drink the drink, Abi you drink and come for road.
Sure.
The drink where you drink that. Now her house you for drink the drink.
Yes.
So you drink, you don't see any other place. You don't see me from upstairs jump come down, say drink the high you drink. You don't see say Maybe you run cook clothes, maybe you run enter street too. So you can't drink, can't know where Kpekus dey. You can't drink, know the road to Kpekus. You understand? You can't drink, so no, you can't know say that they put cassava, that they put cucumber for inside mamo. You understand? After you do after the hardness, that kind of your drink, I go like to the drink camel. Every man would like to drink that kind of drink where they make person they know where woman Kpekus dey.
No, not good, not good. I know we'll try again next time. The next time, I know we won't need drink again, safe. Without drink, you know you're good for me at all.
Now, you listen, no, if this woman are your sister, you can't call you say, bro, so see what you want guy
I'll
do
feel
to
bad.
me.
I'll feel bad. Oh, I feel you. I'll feel very bad.
So you dey hear of the story where they happen around Germany now. Say men they kill women, they kill single mothers. The last one where happened last month, you hear say man use knife stab your own woman we give her we born to give her.
Yeah.
So now, and you can't still come now this month. You carry knife, they use and they threaten this woman. What do you expect this month? Nobody go submit for you.
I'm not carrying knife. Not she carrying knife come. No, not she will carry the knife for onto to took matter. Don't be say, I take her for your hand.
Do you know say this thing where you do so? Do you know say this thing where you do so? If you report to the police now prison you they go.
I know, bros. I know. You're very correct. I know. You're very correct, bro.
And you want to lay with this woman, you not use condom. You can't pour inside direct entry. Now, if and you know say this woman, the mood where she did, you know, let us be frank to ourselves, the mood where this woman, she's easily to take in immediately because she really born. Her body still open well. 4 months old baby there with her. You diagnose, enter inside, you pour everything for inside. If this woman automatically, how many women you don't give better for Germany?
No, I'm not to be sincere, as in, my woman been born shy about 10 months ago, I believe, things like that. It's born twins.
Your woman born twins 10 months ago. And you are the woman there.
Yeah, we do, bros.
You not feel lay with the woman who gave you twins 10 months ago. You can't see another woman you want to go lay with. That will not be cheating.
Bros, I just say I tell you the truth, bros.
If your woman hear this one, how you still say she go feel?
She'll feel very bad. Oh yeah. She'll feel very bad.
You as a guy, man, you know, say you force person lay with her. You can't sleep comfortable. The woman can't even wake you. Let me say the people sweet, bros. Not be loud. Tell me the truth.
Bro.
So you enjoy, shall not be loud.
Bro, I get you.
And you sleep. You see where you for lose guard. You don't do something finish clean. You can't sleep. You can't get the courage, the confidence. They sleep well. Sleep off. Open body for ground. When you know say children they that house, children they that room with you. When you know say children have now, so the people carry knife say see bololo, they will carry knife sling cut away.
Bro, Sam, yesterday I was on myself. I tell you the truth. I couldn't regret myself this morning. I don't want to say I don't need to drink again. Right? From today's fault. Drinking, I don't want to near them again. Life, I don't want to drink again.
Okay, now I want to ask you a question. You get woman for house and you promise this one, say you want to marry him. How is that true?
No, as in me, wait, the problem is that me and that woman get issue. Because the woman when I felt born for before, don't come back. So if the third woman still come back to her. Because they got in Morocco before. As in Morocco. So she can come out with 2 children, come go. So after 2, 3, man come now. So things just get complicated, bro. For real. I don't want issues.
Bros, you know what to make this matter they pay me? You two go fine for this kind of nonsense. You understand? No woman will see your picture. We don't go like your appearance. You get good appearance, but you get dirty character. You listen. You get very good appearance, but you got dirty character, which you need to work on. You understand? I mean, they talk and say, person will get a good woman is better than American passports. You understand? Truck pusher will get sense If better pass graduates will not go school, will not get sense. You understand? No matter what even do you want to play game, bros, you want to play game as a guy man, woman, when woman use as a willing, use a sweet mind, give you Congo, make you shine. You go shine with joy. You go shine with happiness. How you take the enjoy when you lay with somebody they shed tears. The person where they lay on the shed tears. So that call not gonna shack you, make your as you call the wearer, the whip, as the whipping system they go on, you not feel clear. Bros, nobody will not. I'm not sure say you go drink rich meal. You understand? You cannot drink to that extent, say you they whip, and your eye not clear. Say the person where they whip, they cry. I mean the tears they make you they ginger you. It gets on soundtrack where we say the ginger man where the bust my head. Not be this kind of one where we say you not involved. So if this thing where you do so Beleko involved tomorrow, how will you feel? Then you know say definitely this thing feels result of pregnancy. One night stand. Then how you will take the responsibility? You want to turn this one to another single mother idea, babe? Tomorrow we'll say single mother not good. You born for 3 fathers, born for 4 fathers. We don't know all these kind of things. Now they lead to all these things. A lot of how many now let God know how many women you don't sleep with like this.
No. I just do my thing. I don't get about my matter. I have because I also laugh for now. I was just bro, you know what happened again? Never.
Okay, good. You know what I want to tell you? You see that woman? One, she need to go for checkup, proper checkup. You understand? She need to go because you pour in your water for your body. She need to go for proper checkup. You understand? And she going for proper checkup. You are going to hold responsible for all the beats. You do understand me?
Okay, no problem.
You will hold responsible for all the beats, and I go conference you and this woman together for conference call. I will need to talk to the both of you. You understand? I know say the woman they listen. She did listen.
Now?
Not be now. After my program, you understand? I will do that after my program.
Okay.
You, which tribe you be? Which tribe? Where you come for Benin? Where you come for Isha? For Isha? Where you?
I be from Irua.
Irua. But
Yeah.
you know, say you really fucked up, Sha. Oyaba. You know, say you really mash line. And they tell you. Sure, you know.
My mistake, bro.
Good. That mistake where you make so. Now let God know how many people don't make that mistake too. You understand? This one where you agree only one woman now. Maybe don't reach like 3 women where you don't knock belle give. Where you don't talk single mother. I beg. I want you to go beg. If you know, see, because this is your fine face. This me waiting. Me I know people like I know now. Don't be see people like Unami I know now. The one that they play game. Especially that Stuttgart. Now the waiting many guys they do to women for Stuttgart with that one. Now because this woman cry come out. I know how many women we don't do that thing to for Stuttgart where they know they talk. Even both the one where they would another one see the last time Stuttgart now. Where your guy, your friend, he call police for his wife, call police for her, and he go the fuck your friend wife. For that says to God where you this. And the reason why I just take this matter easy with you, bro, I don't lie you. Now because of that part, we did for Ibron. With that man where I enter your profile, I see you say you snap with those guys, and that guy will see there, bro, will really do marriage. Where did they go? Where did they go? Charles Church, Pastor Charles Church.
I don't understand.
You understand? Now I made this matter easy because the way I take this going, why you for this matter, you will not like yourself. Now the truth, now we never even know now how many women you don't give belle where they never have talk. And the way you you just do the direct entry. It's not good now. That kind of character not good now. Now what you go do? You need to apologize to that woman. You hold that woman a serious apologies. Number one. You understand? And you go still talk for year, really apologize to them. Make you hear now. Generally, everybody here say you are really sorry for what you do. So now, out of influence of alcohol, you understand? I bet which name of the drink where you drink. I want to know that name of that drink.